Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can automate Notion with N8n. So let's get started. First, open Notion and go to Settings. Inside Settings, click Connections. Under the Connections section, select Develop or Manage Integrations. This will open a new tab where you can create a new integration. Click New Integration, then choose your workspace. For the integration type, you can select either public or internal, but the easiest option is internal. You can upload a logo or leave it blank. Finally, give your integration a name, let's call it N8n Work, and click Save. Once the integration is created, configure the settings. Before copying the secret key, select which pages should be accessible under this integration. To do this, click Access, then select Pages. You'll see all the pages available in your Notion workspace. Choose the ones you want to connect, and then click Update Access. Now go back to Configuration, reveal the integration secret, and copy it. Open N8n and add a Notion node. Create new credentials and paste the secret key you copied. Your connection is now successful. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.